Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be an unboxing. So this is going to be my first unboxing of the new year 2022. And you guys, this box is small, so I'm a little bit disappointed. So I will get into the reason why when we get into the video. So if you are interested in seeing what is in the box, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so again, this is the first unboxing of the new year 2022. I ordered this at the end of last year, if I'm not mistaken. And I was expecting a larger box or 2 boxes, but unfortunately, the items that I really wanted ended up on back order, and ultimately they were canceled. So I'm still happy to be able to get these items and add these items to my collection. So let's just see. So again, these items I do own in my collection already, but just in different colors. And the colors that I ordered were colors that I really wanted, and I thought that I could pretty much pair them with many of the items that I already own in my collection. So let's see. Nothing exciting, guys, nothing exciting. And here is what we have. As you can see, they are smaller items. I'm actually hoping that they put the wrong items in the box and gave me the items that I really wanted. But I can already tell that these are the items that they said they were going to send. As you can see, smaller accessory pieces. And I'm a little bit bummed because they were an awesome price. But again, my right brain told me that, hey, you really don't need these. But my other side said, yes, you do. So here we go, guys. This is the large wristlet Florentine leather wristlet in the color Brown Tomorrow. Wow, beautiful color. Brown Tomorrow is one of my very favorite colors in the Florentine line. Let's just take the packaging off and take a closer look. Okay guys, so here she is in all of her glory. As you can see, she is a little bit dry up in here. So I probably will give her a good conditioning. And that red zipper pull is to die for. The stitching on here, absolutely beautiful combination with the Brown Tomorrow. Love it. This can be carried on the shoulder as just a little evening bag, or you can hook it on the other side here and also carry it as a wristlet. So very versatile bag, little bag here. You can use it as a catch-all or as a wallet. Very nice bag. It has a little pocket here on the front wall for a little bit more organization. And I have been carrying my black one around over the past couple of days just as a quick grab and go. So now let's take a look at the other one. It is another wristlet. And this one, I think, is in the color Natural. You guys, I really think I already own this in Natural. Maybe not, but my mind tells me that I already have this in this color. I know I have it in a couple of the colors. But again, I couldn't pass up the price. And if I do already own this in the color Natural, I will probably gift it to a friend or family member. But I think you can't have too many of these little wristlets. This one also has the red zipper pull. There is the back. This one also is a little bit dry, so I'm thinking that Dooney maybe had these in their warehouse and they just pulled them out and they had been sitting for a couple years. But conditioning is not a problem for me because I normally condition my Florentine bags when I get them anyway, so that is not a huge deal for me. But here they are. And unfortunately, the color that I ordered that ended up on back order was the red. I'm not a huge red Florentine lover because I don't like the patina. Once it patinas, it's not as vibrant in red. It gives off a undertone that I really don't care for. But in a wristlet, I would have loved to have it in a wristlet, so I will keep my eye out for that in the future as they do bring some of these old school items back. Here we are. So what I'm going to do really quickly while I have you guys is I'm just going to condition this one on the video so you can kind of see how I condition. I do have a full video on how I condition my bags and when, and just a whole lineup of how I care for my bags, and I will leave a link below if you would like to check out that video. So in the meantime, guys, this was the shortest unboxing ever. So this is what we have, and again, I am pretty excited about adding these two to my collection. And as you can see here, I was prepared with my natural Florentine bracelet to pair with my large wristlet. So let's get into just a little bit of conditioning to give her some life. Okay guys, so as you can see here, but you can see it's a little bit dusty looking, a little bit cloudy, and to me that tells me that she needs to be conditioned. And also I can kind of bend it and I can kind of see there that it is dry. That's kind of how I test out my bags to see if they need conditioning, is if I pinch it and it comes off like extremely dry like that, I know that it needs some care. This is going to be very quick because, as I mentioned, I do have a full video on conditioning. So I am going to use my Apple brand leather conditioner. This is one of my go-tos, and I'm also going to use my microfiber towel. I only use this for conditioning. So I just take a little bit, and I'm pretty, well, I'm going to say a little bit more than a little bit because I like to really condition my bag. So I just take, kind of rub it in, and then I just kind of very lightly go over the bag. And as you can see, I mean, obviously it is wet, but I just like to go over it with the leather conditioner, and oh my gosh, it just brings it to life, guys. It brings it to life. I know Dooney says that their leathers don't require any creams or conditioners, but this is my choice. So this is what I do to keep my leather nice and conditioned. It's just like skin. It needs to be moisturized, in my opinion. So see how much better that looks, and you can kind of tell there's the back and there's the front. Again, this is wet, but even once it dries, it's not gonna have that ashy look anymore. So I just kind of go over the back here like this. And I only had to saturate my little cloth here one time because I put a fairly generous amount on there to be able to just cover the whole bag. I'll make sure that I get my piping and my stitching here. Oh man, this is beautiful. This is perfect. And don't forget your straps. That's leather and needs conditioning as well. And then also your zipper pull and your little side tabs here. You just want to make sure that you get everything nice and conditioned to help maintain your bag. And as you can see, you don't see any more, and this is pretty much almost dry because it was a really thin coat. You know what? Let's just quickly do the natural. So again, just a little bit dry, not as dry as the Tomorrow was. Okay, so again, just maybe a dime size of the conditioner. And a lot of people are nervous about conditioning the color natural because they think it's going to change the color. But for me, I have had no problems at all with the Apple brand conditioner. So that's kind of what I stick to. Big 4 is another of my favorites. The Big 4 I use on bags that are extremely dry. I don't really use it for little simple touch-ups like this, but you can, and I have, but I just choose to use that for extremely dry bags. So here we are. We've already done the front. As you can see, look how beautiful that is. And it didn't change the color. It just made it come alive. As you can see here, it's a little bit dusty looking, again, which means that it is dry. And then I just take my cloth with my conditioner on it, and then I just go over it just very lightly. And I normally do this maybe every 6 months. I rotate, I go through my bags and I see which ones might need conditioning. Some colors need conditioning more than others. And Brown Tomorrow in my collection is one of them that needs a little bit more conditioning more often. And oddly, black is one of the ones that I very rarely have to condition. So here we are, we got all of our spots. And then it just kind of brings it to life, as you can see, and it's not wet. So anyway, guys, here we are again with our Florentine leather large wristlets in the color Natural and Brown Tomorrow. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.